बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन 44 है टॉफिल सीरीज़ फॉर द बिगिनर्स का। आज के टॉपिक में हम एडवर्ब्स को कवर करेंगे विद ग्रामेटिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इन डेप्थ। सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। Adverbs modify verb that we all know, except linking verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. So adverbs are only going to modify verbs, adjectives and adverbs or other adverbs, but except linking verbs. They are not going to have any effect on the linking verbs. Many descriptive adjectives can be changed to adverbs by just adding ly to the adjective base. तो हमने पहले लेसन में एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में स्टडी किया था। तो इन ऑर्डर टू चेंज अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव टू एन एडवर्ब यू जस्ट ऐड सफिक्स ly to the adjective base and that will convert to adverb. इसकी एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं। अगर आपके पास एडजेक्टिव में ब्राइट है एंड वी नो इट्स अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव, सो अगर ब्राइट का वर्ड है तो आप यू जस्ट मेक इट ब्राइटली एंड दैट विल मेक इट एडवर्ब. वी जस्ट एडिंग दिस वर्ड ly and this will convert to adverb. And careful with will be carefully with the word with an addition of ly in the end, and quite become quietly with an addition of ly in the end to make descriptive adjectives to adverbs. Again, to have a clarity about descriptive adjectives, I would suggest you to have a look at the previous lesson. Note the following words are also adverbs: so, very, almost, soon, often, well, there and to. So these list of words which I have just mentioned, and I repeat again, which is so, very, almost, soon, often, well, there and to. These are also adverbs. An adverb answer the question how. So इससे पहले हमने adjectives में पढ़ा था कि जब आपने what kind को आंसर करना है तो इट मीन्स यू आर आंसरिंग द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ द सेंटेंस. और इफ़ यू हैव टू क्वेश्चन अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव देन द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर द सेंटेंस व्हाट काइंड. मगर अगर आपने हाउ मेंशन किया तो इट मीन्स यू आर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग एडवर्ब्स. सो इसकी एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. जॉन इज़ रीडिंग केयरफुली. John is reading carefully. Carefully, we just know that it's an adverb. So if we make a question, how is John reading? So it means we are inquiring about the adverb, which is carefully. So he is reading carefully. So he is being careful about while he's reading. So the word how is referring to answer the question regarding the adverb in the sentence. The second question: Maria drank too much coffee. So how much coffee did she drink? That means it's about the adverb. It means too much. We already just said that word too is also considered as an adverb. I don't play tennis very well. So the word very well is also referring to adverb. So how well do I play? So I play very well. So that's again you are questioning about the adverb in the sentence. Question example 4. He was driving fast. How was he driving? So the fast, or he was driving fastly for that matter. How fast did he drive? That means it is about the adverb. She reviewed her notes carefully. How did she review her notes? It means she is reviewing her notes carefully. Okay, again. So I don't play tennis very well. How well do I play tennis? So this is about whether, because we know the word well also considered an adverb. Again, example 4, he was driving fast. So how was he driving? So the refers to fast, which is an adverb. Then final example, she reviewed her notes carefully. How did she review her notes? It means carefully is a word which is adverb. So to answer the questions regarding adverb, the question supposed to be how. एक आपको इस तरीके से देख लें कि अगर आपने एक सेंटेंस गिवन है और आपने इसमें से क्वेश्चन ड्रॉ करना है रिगार्डिंग एडवर्ब, तो आप द क्वेश्चन का जो स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा दैट विल बी हाउ. हाउएवर और अदरवाइज अगर आपके पास एक क्वेश्चन आया है विच इज़ स्टार्टिंग द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज़ हाउ, इट मीन्स द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट द एडवर्ब ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो यू शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट लुकिंग इन टू दोज क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स. So this was about adjectives. Initially we did also review the adverb. So this exercise will going to cover how to find the adjectives and adverbs. This slide I'm going to show here is about 10 questions where you have in parentheses these words given which are adjective and adverbs. You have to select yourself or to find the clarity between the adjectives and adverbs, where to place them well. So for those, so just pause your video here and give a quick glance to all these questions thoroughly enough ताकि आपको clarity हो जाए इसके concept की. Once you are done we can jump to the answer. So for those who are done with an exercise questions already, we can start the answers now. The first question was Rita plays the violin. So they plays the violin well, right? So it's going to be this word adverb. The second question, this is an intense novel. So it is not about, it's just it's an adjective of the novel. You don't have to go for an additional adverb. It's not intensely novel. The third question, the sun is shining bright or brightly. So the shining is a verb itself. So you're supposed to give an adverb which is going to be brightly with an additional ly in the end. The question 4, the girls speak fluent French. It's not, it's just simple straight adjective. You don't have to go for an adverb fluently because that will not fit to the sentence either. The question 5, the boys speak Spanish fluently. Now it's about how it's being done. So yeah, यहाँ पे आपने अपनी the question is about how they are being spoken, so the answer will be fluently, right? So that's how you have to get the sense whether you have to put adjective or adverb in the question, in the answer. Now question number 6 is the table has a smooth surface. So it's not about the adverb smoothly, it's about the simple adjective, about the surface of the table. The question 7, we must figure out income tax returns accurately. It's about how you're supposed to figure out, so it's going to be adverb which is accurately. The question 10, we don't like to drink bitter tea. It's about the adjective of the tea, what kind of tea you won't like to drink. So it's about the bitter tea. It's simple straight quality of that tea, which is bitterness. The question 9, the plane will arrive soon. So it's about the time duration left in plane landing. And the question 10, he had an accident because he was drinking too fast. So the word too itself is referring to, it's an adverb. So you just go straight for the fast, which is an adjective. So this was all about the questions. This is all about the adverbs first, and then we dig into the exercise regarding adjectives and adverbs. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.